That free Wi-Fi you just connected to might not be real. Hello guys, my name is Security, and on this channel we talk about cybersecurity and tips for you to stay safe online. In this particular video, we're talking about fake public Wi-Fi, which is also known as evil twin attack, and how to protect yourself from this type of attack. Not all public Wi-Fi are real. Some are created by attackers to trick users. So an evil twin is a fake Wi-Fi network that are created to deceive users. They are almost similar to the real one. Just like when you go to the cafes, the mall, airports, hotels, supermarkets, you can get free Wi-Fi mostly from those places. And when an attacker goes to that place, he can try to create a similar Wi-Fi that looks like the real Wi-Fi you meet there. For example, so an airport, and let's say the airport Wi-Fi is named Airport Wi-Fi 1. The attacker now will create another Wi-Fi that is fake and name it very similar to the one of the airport, just like naming it Airport 2, or let's say Airport Wi-Fi 2, or maybe within the spelling of that airport, he can change one word from it, and you will see them very identical. So when you don't cross-check the Wi-Fi network to know if it is the real one you are connecting yourself to, you can mistakenly connect to the attacker's network, and this is a very, very big problem for you. When you are connected to the attacker's network by mistake, the attacker may be able to read your information about everything you are doing on your phone at the moment. For example, if you are trying to put in your username or your password or your personal information on a form on a website in your device, the attacker may be able to get all those information. There is a tool called Wireshark, and there are so many more other tools that does this. This attack is also called man-in-the-middle attack. Once you are sitting in the same network with a hacker, he can intercept every traffic going through the network and try to read sensitive information from the network. So to protect yourself from all this type of attack, you should always cross-check the name of the Wi-Fi you are connecting yourself to. Also, avoid to put in sensitive information if you must use public Wi-Fi at the moment. Avoid logging into your banking application, social media accounts, or sensitive applications you own when you are connected to a public Wi-Fi. You must make use of your banking applications or sensitive application. You should just disconnect from the public Wi-Fi and use your mobile data. And when you are done, you can connect back to the public Wi-Fi. So attacks like this are very, very common because most of us do not know about evil twin network, and we will connect to any network we find online today. So cybersecurity is all about awareness. Knowing that there are certain type of attack like this and knowing how you can protect yourself from the attack is a game changer. So if you find this video helpful, quickly like, subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos like this, and also check out my page for more useful information like this one.